You want to delete saved videos on TikTok? This tutorial will show you the fastest way to remove videos from your TikTok favorites list. First, open the TikTok app. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once your profile opens, look for the Favorites or Saved section. You'll usually find it between the Repost tab and your liked videos. Tap on it. Here, TikTok will show all of your saved or favorite videos. Currently, TikTok does not provide a single option to delete all saved videos at once, so you'll need to remove them manually. Now open the video you want to remove from your saved collection. When the video starts playing, look at the right side menu and find the Favorites or Save icon below the comments section. Simply tap on that icon once, and the video will instantly be removed from your saved videos list. Go back and repeat the same process for any other TikTok videos you want to unsave. So yeah, that's how to delete saved videos on TikTok step by step. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials.